Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, I have a special treat for Louisiana State University fans, LSU. I heard that you guys love your tigers, and I love tigers too, so I decided to paint you guys a special tiger. He's on a purple and gold background, and he is in oil, and he's a very special guy. So I just finished him. He's going to be ready to go in a week or two, probably 2 or 3 weeks actually, because I want to varnish him as well. But he's on canvas, you can see. I forget exactly what size he is, but he's a good sized boy, and he's actually very, very handsome. So let me know if you're interested. Also, we will have prints made of him because I think he's going to be very popular. And if you're interested in learning how to paint, definitely come sign up at the Milan Art Institute Mastery program. The link is down below. Caveat, yes, I am an affiliate with them, but I can honestly say that it is a great program because less than a year ago, I could not paint or draw. And now I'm painting tigers. So there you go. See you guys.